Hi everyone, so we're here to solve a common problem that arises when it comes to calculating hours between two dates, okay? So if it's a simple like same date like this, it wouldn't be that hard because you just simply, calculate the difference between time out and time in, okay? But the problem arises when the date out is actually the following day. So this is very common for night shifters. So here I'll be discussing the requirements for you to calculate this accurately, okay? So first, you should use a table. Okay, a table allows you to dynamically expand your data. So if I type in here, let's say card, okay, notice that the format from the above cells are copied down, including the formula itself. So you don't have to copy like a single row here and then copy paste it below. You don't have to do that, okay? So by simply converting it into a table, it dynamically expands, okay? The second requirement is that you should correctly format your cells. Okay, so for this one right here, it should be date, and that's easily accessible here. Okay, you can select short date. For the time in, you should use this format right here. Okay, for you to bring up the dialog box, you can just press, highlight the cells, press Control 1, and then you have it here. Okay, so look for this sample here. Like you can check out the other formats. You can see the sample here. It changes, right? But what you have to select is this one right here. Okay, so and then that goes the same for this column right here. Okay, it should be the same thing. Now for the duration, it has to be this format right here, hours and then minutes. So that's hours with a bracket. So if we highlight this, we press Control 1. Okay, you'll see this one, okay, hours and then minutes, and then you can see how it should look like, right? So now, okay, let's try to test this. So if let's say the person actually log off 12/2025, let's say 10 p.m. Okay, so you can see it says 11:43, right? Now if I say 2025, just like 35 hour shift, that's absurd. So let's say it's 10:17 a.m. of the following day. Yeah, that's 24 hours, right? So it calculates it accurately. Even if we actually move to like 2025, I mean like 2 days after or 3 days after, March 15, yeah, that's 72 hours. Okay, so let's go over the formula real quick. So it's very basic, guys. We just have to add the date out and the time out, okay, and subtract or deduct from there the date in and time in, okay. So under normal circumstances, different data types should not work harmoniously. When you're doing like arithmetic functions like adding, subtracting and all that, but this one it actually works. Now I'll explain why. Now if we actually change this section right here into a number format, okay, you can see that they're actually being converted into numbers. Okay, so dates are actually in numbers, and then the time is actually based on numbers as well. That's why this part right here actually works. Like if I change it to number, okay, you can see, right? So basically if we're trying to add this and then subtract this, you'll get this, but it's just that Excel converts it into a format that we recognize, which is time and date and duration. So that's how it works under the hood. So that's all for now, guys. Thank you and bye bye.